Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? I'd like to introduce, this is Lacy. She is a Capuchin monkey. She is almost 7 years old. And if you have any other questions, if you want to put them in the links below, that'd be great, and I'll answer them on the next video. And right now, a new venture I'm doing, it's called Couture, and it's really cool because everything is reusable. And Couture is a DIY company specializing in adhesive silk screens. And there's only 4 steps. Lacy, can you stay? Look up there. Look at all the people. Say hi. She loves almonds. Anyway, there's only 4 steps. You peel the backing off. You place it on whatever you want to put it on. You put the paste on, and then you do the really cool part, the peel and reveal part. If you would like to purchase retail, you can go to my online store, or you can join Couture and buy at 40% off. The starter kit is only $99, and you get $240 worth of product. And the question, should I join? And if you're going to spend more than $150 in 3 months, then the smartest thing is to join. Anyway, we're going to start off with a project I saw on Ken's Creations. And I really loved it. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but it took me a while to get the new paste. And this is Couture's new, 18-inch hexagon. And the one thing I always have to remember is I'm really good at putting them on the board upside down. So I want to check and see where my hanger is, and then I know that's the right side up. And then I've got my transfer, and I love this transfer. It's called Modern Floral. And the first thing we're going to need to do is take it off of its backing sheet. You want to place this down, that way it doesn't curl. And you write on the back, that way you know front from back. You peel it off. There we go. And then you do what we call fuzzing, which is you're just taking a little bit of the sticky off the back so it doesn't stick too well. Because that way you get more life out of your transfer. And you don't want to stretch your transfer when you're taking it off. So I've already done this a couple of times, so I only need to do it one more time. So you just 4 or 5 times on a towel, and you've got it. And then, oops, got a little spot on it. So Lacy, can you hold my towel for me, please? There we go, good girl. Oops. There, okay. Now I place it where I want it. And let me see. I think I'm going to bring it so it's straight there. There, that looks good. And I'm going to press it down so I get out all the air bubbles. So you know what? I think I want to bring it up just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Now, oops. Come on, there we go. There, got it. Perfect. All right. So make sure you get out all the air bubbles. Okay, and this is called the ombre technique. It's where you're putting on more than one color. So in the middle of these flowers, I'm first going to put some cherry blossom. Oh, I forgot to let you smell. Don't you like cherry blossom? Nah. Luckily, it is non-toxic, so even though I don't encourage her to eat it, I don't have to worry, she does. Okay. Can you hold that? Thank you. So I'm putting the cherry blossom in the center of everything. And then I'm going to take peony and I'm going to put that around that. And when you first get them out, you're going to want to stir them and make sure they're about the consistency of yogurt. Okay. Lacy, please don't eat. Okay. I'm going to put on a good amount. There we go. And then our last color is going to be Couture Coral. And it's really a deep color. So now we're going to put it on the edges of our flowers. We're going to do this in 2 steps because we're going to do the flowers and then we're going to take it off, clean it, and then we're going to do the green. And so the 3 colors we're using for the flowers is cherry blossom, peony, and Couture Coral. And then the greens, we're going to use some garden herb. Oh, I forgot to put the second color there. Garden herb, honeydew, and green envy. Okay, and now we're going to take our finger, dip it in water, but just shake it mostly off, and we're going to just rub each color around. Okay. Then rinse the finger off and do the next color. Let's use the peony. Water. Okay, and then our last color, and we're trying not to get on the leaves, and then our last color is the coral. Might need another one, a little bit more of the coral. We're trying to stay off the leaves and just on the flowers right now. A little bit more water. Peel it off. Looky lace. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, I'm going to instantly get this in the water so I can start cleaning it. And then we're going to put this so this can dry. So, okay, we stopped the camera for a little bit. We let our transfer dry. We've lined it back on, and now we're ready to put our green. You ready? Do me a favor, step a little bit over here. How's that for a deal, Lace? Huh? Whoops, got your heel right on it. There we go. silly girl. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now for the green, we're going to do honeydew. That's honeydew. You like honeydew? Okay. We've already stirred it, made sure it's consistency of yogurt. Now we're just going to put it on with our finger. And of course, we're going to have Lacy to help us, huh, Lace? We're just going to put blobs of them here and here. Not the wipe, not the wipe. We're not ready for the wipe yet. Thank you, Lace. See? There you go. Good spot. There we go. Good girl. Touch right here. Okay. And finger painting. Haven't done that in a while, have we, Lace? And then our garden herb. Water and mix it together. Try to stay away from the flowers. Water. Oops. Uh-oh, I got that a little too watery. That might run under the transfer lace. Okay, Okay, did we miss any spots, Lace? Can you see any spots we missed? Probably as soon as we lift it up, we'll find a bunch of them, huh? See if we can scrape a little bit of this off. Oops. Do the peel and reveal. Ooh, look at how cool. Anyway, get it up close so everybody can see, but isn't that pretty? Alrighty, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, be sure and ask. Thank you. Lacy, say bye.